Hi everybody, this is Gary Demas, Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. So today was actually one of the easier days of trading. I'm showing you right now, this is the software that I've been using. It's on the back end. But the signal weight, when you see it at minus above, like, say, 1600, and then the cycle momentum is minus 50 or 60, anywhere in that range, what it's telling you is you want to short whatever rally is there, because this is going to end up moving down. So you can see this is where we opened the first 30-minute bar, and then this is where I figured out my S&P 500 trades, there was something wrong with them, and it was kind of frustrating because this happened yesterday too, and I'm like, why is this not anything happening here? I'm putting these trades through. I was even going market, and they weren't getting filled. So I had to switch over to IW, not IWM, but the RUT. But here you can see. So we put this here. Now hang on one second. Okay, so this was the trade that I put out in the room. So it's when the S&P was above 6,000, and you can see the premium would have been $1.30, so it's a decent trade on it, and it never went through for me. So I ended up switching over to IWM, as I said, and from there we actually had a really good day. 46.75 was the total. We are now up 44% for the year since August. So things are going well. Now let's take a look at the markets and see what it's telling us. So right now, my expectations would be that we're going to do, at a bare minimum, a 23% retracement, possibly even come down to the 38. So this would be the buy area, to be anywhere from the 59.41 down to the 58.94. Now there's a chance that this was the low right here. We don't really have any buy signals or anything, but it was a nice bounce off of it, and from there we got a little bit of a pullback. So there's a chance that this is just a little bull flag and we're going to head higher. But really, I'm still, even if we head higher, I think we would probably just be testing these highs. And I still think we need to build some kind of solid support base before trying to move higher, because what happens is when you get these moves like this, there's no support. So when it drops, it ends up taking all of these gains out in usually a good day or two. And that's why you need to take pauses here and there, because the market's not going to go straight up and it's not going to go straight down. You actually want to be looking to buy as it's heading down, and looking to sell as it's going up. And so right now, the safest spot right now would be looking for 23%, 38% retracement. This would be a great buying opportunity, I think, right here. But we obviously have to, I'm just throwing these out right now. We have to keep an eye on things if they do pull back. If they head up, obviously we've got to keep an eye on this the 60.17 level. And if they take that out, then we're probably going to be just heading up to the 60.30 or something to that extent. It's pretty hard to judge where, but in any case, if we're just using some retracement levels, as I've been showing you right now, we made the stop right at the 150, right at the 60.12. So if it gets above it, 60.40 is the next one, and then 78 is up at the 60.75. So those would be some possible upside targets that we can keep an eye on. Hang on one second. Sorry about that. Now you can see this. I thought it was all lined up. But in any case, you can see the upside. We made it right up to the 150%. If it needs to go above that, then we just keep an eye right on this, on the 60.50, and then up at the 60.75. Again, the downside, you can see that we have this gap support, and we have the moving average that's coming in right around that 59.30. So this would be a decent area to maybe look. But right now, like I said, I'm anticipating that we're going to get a little bit deeper, just because this has been a massive run, and euphoria usually ends in a big drop. So maybe it's over. I'm not suggesting to really look on the short side. And if you do it the way that I've been kind of explaining, where you're going to sell premium. So if the market's, gaps up 50 points, you do you write some premium that's 25 points higher than that on the S&P, and you get a decent premium. You got plenty of wiggle room, and you just really let it sit. And then if it starts to go the wrong way, you just simply sell some put options and you make a condor and put the stop at your at the entry. So it's an easy way to manage these trades, and it's very conservative. But overall, it's been working out pretty good. So. I'm kind of open-minded for tomorrow. I would rather see a move down to these levels, but being this has a look of a bull flag, there's a chance that we do come up. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.